Hello everyone out there, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. For those who don't know anything about me, I've been online since 2015 and I've been earning a full-time income from home by utilizing American Bill Money. Okay, that's one of the programs that I've been involved with since May of 2017. And I just want to, of course, show some proof of income of what I've been able to earn utilizing this program. For those who are tuning in that have been wondering where I've been at, I've been on vacation. I was on vacation, so I am just returning not too long ago from Jamaica. I was there for 2 weeks on vacation, and I had an awesome time. And I took a little break from just the laptop and working and the kids, to go and sit down in the sun and enjoy myself. I've been working hard at building a business online, building this postcard program, and I just needed a break. So I'm of course going to show you income proof of what I was able to earn while I was on vacation. I came home to 3 checks from American Bill Money, and I'm excited to show you guys proof that the system works. And then I'm going to give you a little bit of information about American Bill Money and what it can do to help you generate a secondary income from home, or it could be your full-time first income from home. Okay. Here is one of the checks I received, which was on July 6th, in the amount of $525. There go my name, $525 from American Bill Money. The next check that I received was in the amount of $600. This is what I came back home to, okay, from American Bill Money. And I also received a check for $450 from American Bill Money. And it was exciting because, when you're on vacation, you're spending a lot of money. Vacations aren't cheap. So it was great to come home. Not only that, be able to take vacations because of this online business that I have. If it wasn't for being able to generate income from home online, I wouldn't be able to vacation. So I'm really grateful and I feel humble to be able to do that. So for those who don't know about American Bill Money, it is a postcard program. It's been around since 2003. You have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And they're paying out $75 commissions for each person that joins your downline. It is a $125 monthly fee to join this program. That's going to give you access to American Bill Money, and it's going to also it's going to allow you to become an affiliate, and you're going to get 150 leads, targeted leads for people that are looking to build an online postcard program. Now with American Bill Money, you can do this online or offline, okay? You can market this both ways, and they show you how to do so. You can do postcards, you can do newspaper ads, you can do online using a funnel, you can do business cards, just like you can put up, there's so many different ways. But when you go into American Bill Money, after you order, you join, they give you your marketing tools here that you can order. You can even print it out or fax over the form for your marketing tools. Then what they do is you're able to view the postcards, the cover letter, and then they also have a section in here for personal development for people that need to really get their mind right and really understand all about building a business, being able to go into business for yourself, and how to be consistent to make sure that you consistently have money coming in through the opportunity, okay? So what I want to show you guys is basically what the postcards look like. They have a new postcard now that's out. This is style A. Here it says you already have residual bills. Now you just need residual income, okay? There's a 24-hour phone number that you can call and get information about the program. This is the phone number. And you can sign up literally by calling it, okay? You call in, you can fill out the order form here. If you don't have a computer, you can literally do this without a computer, okay? It tells you how many postcards you get, how much it's going to cost you. You got 1,000 postcards or 2,500 2,500 postcards. They right now have a 50% off discount and a 10% off discount. Okay. It gives you information about how much you earn per person. And then they also have a 12-month prepaid program where you get $900 for each person that comes in under you when you pay for the entire year. Okay. Here is a style B, which is the back of the postcard. And this is what it looks like. This is the one that we normally get. Okay. This is the new one, style A. And then this is the front of the postcard, which will have your picture if you want to promote yourself. It will have your ABM number, and then you will put your lead here and place your postcard stamp here. Okay. And that's basically just it. So there's a lot of information here about American Bill Money and how the program works. There is a one-up compensation plan. So for every person that comes into your organization, they have to pass the first person to you. So let's just say you sign up Susan. Susan signs up Bill, right? Bill goes directly to you. So that's extremely powerful because, with the one-up compensation plan, you are making money off of other people's work and other people's efforts. Okay. So what you do is you just show people basically how to market this opportunity online or offline. Okay. Like I said, you can get all the information here within the tabs. And if you have any information, if you need any information about this or you're ready to get started, my information will be in the description of this video. If you're not friends of mine on Facebook, please send me a friend request. That information is also in the description. You can see I have beautiful pictures up of my vacation. Some of the places where I stayed, it was just absolutely amazing. So if you want to take a peek at what I have going on, please send over a friend request, and then we can connect on Facebook as well. Okay, so thank you so much for viewing this video. If you want more information, I am here to help you to be successful. I'm here to inspire people, to let people know that with consistency, with dedication, you can earn a full-time income from home. You just have to be willing to be in it, stay in it to win it, get started, and be consistent. And if you are consistent within your business and you take this seriously, treat it like a business, not a hobby, you can have great success with this program, with this platform. Okay. So thanks so much for viewing my video and have a great night. I'll talk to everyone again tomorrow.